What's up, everyone? This is your man, Mr. Fulton, and happy holidays and Merry Christmas to you. So, today we are trying something new, something fresh, and something delicious that you guys have never seen before. But as the two previous videos I've been doing, um, so I've been doing the peppermint milkshake, and then we tried the peppermint ice cream. And now, ladies and gentlemen, um, we got the next one I'll be doing is well, let's get right to it. So today we got something that you guys might like. It is called the. If you guys like peppermint, you guys will let you have a special treat. There we go. This is called the Peppermint Hot Cocoa Blizzard from DQ, which means Dairy Queen. So, what we have in here is we got some peppermint pieces in there. Hold on, I gotta show you the video. Sorry. So we got the peppermint pieces, the chocolate pieces, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright, here we go. I'm going to taste it and see how it goes, and let me know if you guys smash up the thumbs button, like, share out the stream, and subscribe, and turn all bell notifications on, and let's do it. Here we go. See, here's the peppermint. That's the peppermint. And that is the chocolate chip. So let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys next time. And don't forget, next Monday, we've got a virtual interview guest star on our show. None other than Scott Swan of WTHL. And we're going to talk about his new book and everything. And hope you guys enjoy it. And I just want to say thank you guys, and have a great holiday season, and a Merry Christmas to you. Bye. See you next Monday. Bye-bye.